once upon a time, nestled in a tranquil land, there was a sleepy volcano named Snoozing Peak. Every day, it sat quietly beneath the bright sun, its gentle slopes covered in emerald green grass and colorful wildflowers. But whenever the stars twinkled in the night sky, Snoozing Peak would quietly hum a soft, melodic tune that drifted through the air like a lullaby. Now, one day, a curious little monkey named Milo swung from tree to tree, drawn to the sweet sounds whispering from the volcano. With his heart filled with wonder, Milo decided to explore the secret of Snoozing Peak. He climbed up the slopes and listened closely as the soft humming turned into gentle rhythms, intertwining with the whispers of the evening breeze. The whispering wind, who danced around the volcano, greeted Milo with a soft sigh and whispered, "You are here for a reason, dear friend. Follow me, and I will show you something magical." Intrigued, Milo followed the wind as it twirled and twinkled through the trees, guiding him to a hidden grove. In this enchanting place filled with twinkling fireflies, the wind revealed the secret of Snoozing Peak. The volcano dreamed beautifully. When the stars shone bright and dreams filled the night, it shared those wondrous visions with all who listened. Somehow, those dreams floated down to the jungle, helping the animals drift into serene slumber. Milo felt his own eyelids grow heavy as the wind's whispers wrapped around him like a warm blanket, soothing his spirit and filling him with joy. He sat in the grove, marveling at how the sleepy volcano's secret painted the world with sweet dreams. As the night deepened, Milo closed his eyes, letting the soft hum of Snoozing Peak guide him into a gentle sleep. The curious monkey and the sleepy volcano shared a night filled with dreams made of stardust and moonlight, creating a bond that would forever be held close to their hearts. And so, with the wind softly singing a lullaby, the night wrapped around the land like a gentle embrace, welcoming all to the wonder of dreams. Rest now, little one, and let the secrets of the sleepy volcano carry you into a peaceful sleep.